Ladies and gents, this is a real win. Insiders say that something impossible has taken place. The case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission was won. Is it real? This is what worries everyone who owns XRP Ripple right now. However, the most interesting part is just starting. Now, even Trump is supporting XRP Ripple. It's impossible to miss. You'll be amazed by that movie. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. To Bain. The court case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission has hit a crucial point. The cryptocurrency community is very interested in what this could mean for XRP, Ripple's digital asset. This case began in late 2020 and is mostly about the CC's claim that Ripple's sale of XRP was an illegal offering of securities. The result of this important court case could have a big impact on how cryptocurrencies are regulated. Some new information suggests that the case may be almost over. Brett Hill mentioned in a tweet that an SEC closed meeting had been cancelled. This led XRP fans to wonder if Ripple and the SEC might have reached a deal behind closed doors. The XRP community is feeling more hopeful because of this report, and some people think things will work out well for Ripple. To add to the excitement, XRP expert Stuart Alderoty recently said something about how the SEC plans to act, saying that Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, had played his hand too much. Alderoty said, "I think the judge will look at it and say that is so unbelievable that it's unbelievable. You want to be paid back $2 billion when there is no crime to be found. This feeling shows that more and more people think the CC's request may be seen as too harsh." In a filing on May 20th, the CSE's demand that Ripple's financial records be made public caused a lot of debate. The CC said no to Ripple's request to hide some financial documents, saying that openness is important for the public to believe regulators and the government. The regulator used the case Lugosz vs. a pyramid of Onondaga to show how important it has always been for the public to be able to see court records. The CSE's stance shows how important the case is for financial openness and government oversight in the crypto world as a whole. But Ripple has refused to do what the SEC wants, saying that giving out private financial data could hurt its ability to compete and that some of the records in question are out of date. The fintech company also said that some proof is already out there for everyone to see, which makes the SEC's case for full disclosure weaker. As the court case nears its end, all eyes are on Judge Annalisa Torres, who will decide what should be done. The stakes are high because the SEC wants fines of up to $2 billion, while Ripple says any fines should be much smaller, no more than $10 million. In July 2023, Judge Torres partially ruled in favor of Ripple. He said that XRP itself is not a security, but sales of XRP by institutions could be seen as investment contracts. This set a very important standard. How this case turns out will have a huge effect on the future of XRP and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. As people continue to hope for a good answer, the XRP price has been strong, staying above 53 cents and even going up by 6% recently. A good result is seen by many as the key to taking XRP to new heights, with some fans aiming for the elusive $3 mark. The case between Ripple and the SEC is more than just a court case. It is a turning point for the cryptocurrency business, and bought and sold in the US. That's not all, though. Because of the trial 4 years ago, almost all partners turned away from Ripple. But things are changing, and it looks like the judges have already made up their minds behind the scenes. Ripple is now making deals with other companies. This is a huge sign that prices are going up, and it might blow your mind. Allow me to explain. Strategic relationships are one of the most interesting things that Ripple has been doing lately. A new announcement from Ripple says that the company has teamed up with a number of central banks around the world. We've told you about some of them, but not all of them yet. Think about all the deals that were made behind closed doors that will be made public now that the SEC case is over. This possible rush of strategic partnerships could make Ripple's market situation and trust in the financial world much better. Ripple is different because it focuses on making cross-border trades quick and cheap. And Ripple's technology makes it possible to send money almost instantly with very low fees, unlike traditional financial systems that often have many middlemen and take a long time to process. This level of efficiency is especially appealing to banks that want to cut costs and streamline their processes. Ripple's consensus method, which is different from Bitcoin's proof-of-work system, makes sure that transactions are verified quickly and that less energy is used. The growing community around Ripple is shown by the addition of new partners like Us.Thankx, which was founded in 2017 and has been working with Ripple since February 2024. Us.Thankx wants to look into the trillion-dollar market and the future of tokenizing real-world assets. This agreement shows that Ripple is serious about growing its reach and bringing blockchain technology into more areas of finance, which could change how assets are tokenized and traded. As Ripple continues to build these partnerships, the price of XRP could change in a big way. As a result of new agreements, the XRP token is often used and adopted more, which raises demand and in turn its market value. Investors are already feeling hopeful because they think the SEC case will be resolved in a good way. If relationships that weren't known about before are made public, this effect could get stronger, which could lead to a big price rise. The fact that Ripple might be able to work with central banks is especially interesting. Central bank digital currencies are a big deal in the business world, and Ripple's technology works well with these plans. By working with central banks, Ripple could be at the forefront of changes to the financial system, making it easier for people to use both standard and digital currencies to buy things. The ongoing action between Ripple and the SEC is more than just a court case. It's a big moment for how cryptocurrencies will be regulated and used in the future. Both stated and unannounced strategic partnerships with Ripple point to a strong and growing ecosystem that is ready to grow. As these events happen, the XRP token could go up in value a lot, which could make it a game changer in the cryptocurrency market. The most crazy part of this video is now here. Trump could help XRP Ripple with their court case since he is running for president right now. But what does this have to do with it? Let's look into this strange turn of events and see what it means. You shouldn't miss this at all costs. In the political world, an unexpected turn of events has happened that could have big effects on XRP Ripple's case against the SEC. Donald Trump, who is now running for president again, has said that his campaign will accept payments in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies such as XRP Ripple. As the first major party presidential nominee to use cryptocurrency for fundraising, this is a big deal that could change the future of both politics and the cryptocurrency business. Trump's choice to use cryptocurrencies to fund his campaign sends a strong message of support for digital assets. This move not only helps the campaign raise more money, but it also shows support for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies' ability to promote financial freedom and creativity. It's very different from what Democratic opponents like President Joe Biden and Senator Elizabeth Warren have said about the usefulness and control of digital currencies. CEO of Bitcoin magazine David Bailey emphasized the strategic importance of Trump's choice, which shows how important this move is. Bailey stressed how important it was to have big numbers in crypto contributions to back up this move and keep the movement going. This attention from a big political figure like Trump could make more people interested in cryptocurrencies like XRP and Ripple as they become more common in political fundraising. The Trump campaign's acceptance of XRP Ripple payments not only opens up a new way to raise money, but it also suggests that the two campaigns may have similar goals. Given that Ripple is still in court with the SEC, Trump's support could help Ripple's cause and change how it turns out. Trump could also get more people to support his campaign by reaching out to the crypto community, which includes people who support XRP and Ripple, making politics and Bitcoin work together in a way that benefits both. In terms of money, Trump's support for cryptocurrencies like XRP and Ripple could also change the price of these currencies. The extra attention and funds that come from being linked to a big political campaign could bring back interest in and demand for XRP Ripple. This hopeful sign, along with the chance for good things to happen in Ripple's legal situation, the whales did not miss this sign that prices were going up. They are very aware that the price could go through the roof soon, which would catch many people off guard. Are you ready for what's going to happen? You won't want to miss this, trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Since we already know the value of XRP has gone up a lot in the last day, this is because big buyers, who are often called whales, have been trading a lot. With their large holdings and market power, these whales have a huge impact on the way of XRP's price movements. Traders and experts are both very interested in what they do because it can give them useful information about how the crypto market might change in the future. It's even crazier that they are saving up more than 300 million XRP Ripple coins for the big pump. It's also important to note that the price changes of XRP are related to those of popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The recent